Who the fuck broke the door? Someone's gonna come through that door. On my life, someone just knocked.
We have 4 playing cards. Who's sure we gotta find?
Someone's gonna walk into the. Someone just knocked on that door. They're gonna walk through my life. Minecraft.
Are the cards on the floor? Are the cards?
Give us the hint!
Hint?
We need a hint. Oh fuck! Fuck it off somebody! Get your fuck off! Nigga! Bitch, check cards out here! Oh my god. Oh, I need a breather. What the hell?
I'll never forgive you.
You're a grown-ass man, bro. You have a beard, you could have children, and you're screaming like a little kid?
I'm saying that this. Go! 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 Where is it, what? Judy? Where is it there? Judy? Mother. No, my picture! What up, my G? Calm down, Portable! Look, bro, look, we can talk this through, alright? Wait, what? Don't touch it, don't touch it. There's what? 4 pieces, we have to find them. 4 pieces from a fucking place. Alright, this box from
Yalla.
No, let's do. Oh shit! Why did you do that, Damn! Why did you do that? Let us please find the 4 pieces. Come on. Stop! Don't even think about it! Don't even fucking think about it! You fucking chill out, go back where the fuck you went from. Go back. Let me out of the fucking finger! 6, 4. I'm playing any Steam game, just get it done with it. What was the fucking gun? 6, 9. Wait. 9. Ah!
you're going to be okay. These feelings will pass. You can do this. Just notice where you are.
Get out of here, bro. No. What is that?
Take one piece from the closet.
Too late. Find the gun.
I'll go back.
We have water. It's water. Water.
Take 2 pieces.
Good.
Take 2 pieces.
That's all you want.
Inside the closet.
There's none. No here. Alright, I got 2.
I'll go back.
Lord.
One last piece.
Where's the last piece?
There is the mannequin.
Behind me?
Look where the mannequin inside the closet. Find 2 pieces. You sit down.
I need a